Hello friends, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm back with a brand new product review. And in today's video we are going to review another flavor of the Dairy Milk Silk, which is a hazelnut flavor. So guys, this is the Cadbury Dairy Milk Silk hazelnut flavor, and today we are going to review and do a taste test of it. So let's start off with the packaging of the product. So guys, it comes in the packaging similar to other Dairy Milk Silk, which is a purple packaging, and it has a hue of orangish brown here of the hazelnut color that is there. Right here we can see, and right here we can see the Cadbury Dairy Milk branding right on top. Then there is silk branding here and the name of the flavor, which is hazelnut. And here they have shown an illustration of the Cadbury Dairy Milk Silk hazelnut with a piece of hazelnut inside and a hazelnut illustration here as well. Whole nuts is written right here, so it contains whole nuts. Moving on, at the bottom, 490 grams serving provides for 108 calories, which is 15% of your GDA. 5% of your GDA. So if 2000 is calories is something which is considered normal, so this is 5%. Now moving on to the back of the pack. On the back of the pack it says it is 100% sustainably sourced cocoa, which is used to make Cadbury Silk. Thanks to Cocoa Life, we are helping farmers to protect the environment around them. And the product quality, if you are not satisfied with the product quality, retain the package and call this number. Again, a number here. Nutritional information is mentioned right here. Stored conditions, stored in a cool, hygienic and dry place. Do not store above temperatures of 25 degrees Celsius, otherwise it will melt. Now coming here. Here a pure 80 symbol is shown. It is composed of chocolate. Ingredients are sugar, milk solids, hazelnuts. 16% of the chocolate is hazelnuts. There are lots of hazelnuts in it. I'm happy about that. Cocoa butter, cocoa solids, emulsifiers, contain added flavor, natural, nature identical and artificial, vanilla flavoring substances. Allergen contains milk, hazelnuts. May contain other tree nuts and wheat. Best before 9 months from packaging, so the shelf life is 9 months. And the net weight is 58 grams. The net weight of it. Coming to the M.R.P of the product, the M.R.P of the Cadbury Dairy Milk Silk Hazelnut is rupees 80 for 58 grams, which is pretty premiumly priced right here. So let's go ahead and open the packaging and let's look at the chocolate. How does it look? So we open the outer cover first, and inside we have the Cadbury Dairy Milk Silk right here, wrapped in another paper which has silk branding written all over it. So here it is, and inside it's packed in again a golden foil paper. Wow, look at this. You can actually see the hazelnuts, like whole nuts in it. As mentioned on the wrapper, there are whole nuts, and you can actually see the whole nuts. You can actually count them as well. So let's go ahead and do a taste test of this amazing chocolate. Here we go. We're gonna take it and do a taste test of it. So this is a taste test of the Cadbury Dairy Milk Silk hazelnut, which contains whole hazelnuts in it. So look at this. So here it goes. This is a taste test of it. Very smooth chocolate, silk chocolate here, and the crunchiness of the hazelnut. Too good. Very flavorsome, and I'm really enjoying it right now. Amazing chocolate. I really liked it. Overall, I'll rate it a complete 5 on 5 for the Cadbury Dairy Milk Silk Hazelnut. And guys, if you are looking to buy the Cadbury Dairy Milk Silk Hazelnut, it is available online on Amazon. I'll have the link in the description below so you can check it out from there. And guys, if you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more such amazing videos.